Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've already set up Apple Pay in Wallet and logged into TikTok. Now connect the pieces. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines, and choose Settings. Once in Settings, find Wallet or Payments and select Add Payment Method. You're doing this to let TikTok accept secure Apple Pay tokens instead of raw card data. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled so purchases complete quickly and securely. Proceed when you see the Add option. Now link Apple Pay inside TikTok by choosing Apple Pay as the payment method. The app will request authentication. When prompted, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. This authorizes token sharing without exposing your card number. Once authenticated, TikTok asks to confirm billing, shipping, and contact details. Review and tap Confirm. This step ties the wallet token to in-app purchases and creator payments, which speeds checkout and reduces fraud risk. If you finish by using Apple Pay at checkout, tap Checkout, choose Apple Pay, then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to complete the transaction. Once done, the tokenized payment confirms instantly and you'll get a receipt. If it fails, first verify the card and wallet is active and not expired, then make sure TikTok has payment permissions. If problems continue, restart TikTok, remove and re-add Apple Pay in Settings, and retry. This usually resolves token syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.